Assalamu alaikum. How are you learners? This is lecture number 2, class 4, subject English literature, reader the ant and the grasshopper, topic the dog box, part 1. Open your reader, page number 4. In this second story, there are three characters. The one is the dog, the second one is the cock, and the third one is fox. The place is France. Let's start reading. First of all, the dog is talking to the cock. Let's start reading. I'm going on holiday, said the dog. He was speaking to his friend, the cock. I'm going to visit my cousin. She lives in the south of France. I shall stay with her for a month or two. That sounds nice, said the cock. Have a good time? Then the cock looked sad. I have lived on this farm for years. I have never been on holiday. Not once, he said. Why don't you come too? Said the dog. Me? Replied the cock. That's very kind of you. I'd love to come. I've never been to France. I've always wanted to go there. There are beautiful rivers in France, I have heard, and many pretty villages and farms, and Paris, the loveliest of all cities, and the food. The food is. Yes, yes, you are right. But we can talk about but we can talk about that on the way. Let's get our things ready and make a start. Come on. Here, the dog said to the cock that he is going to visit her cousin's house who lives in France. He was going for 1 or 2 months. The cock said, "It's very good, have a good time." But after this, he looks sad. Who looks sad? Cock. He said, I lived on this farm for many years, but I have never been on holiday. Then the dog said him, why don't you come with me? The cock replied, me? Then cock told something about France. He said there are beautiful rivers, pretty villages and farms, and the city Paris is very loveliest city, and the food of France is very good. The dog said, yes, yes, but we can talk about the France on the way. Let's go. Come on to the next page. Now the scene is the old tree. An hour later, the two friends were ready. They left the farm and started on their journey. This happened a long time ago. In those days, there were no planes or trains. There were no cars, buses, or bicycles, or horses. No horse? Well, in those days, the horses all lived in a place far, far away. No one knew how to ride them. You had to walk everywhere. That is what the two friends did. On their first day, they walked for miles and miles. In the evening, they came to a dark forest. In the forest, they found an old tree. It was a very old tree. Inside had become empty. It was hollow. Hollow means empty. There was enough room for the two travelers to go in. This looks good, said the dog. We can keep warm and dry here. Let's stay in this hollow tree for the night. Not me, said the cock. We chicks like to sleep high above the ground. It is a warm night. It is not raining. I'll fly into the branches and sleep up there. You sleep here inside this tree if you like. And that is what they did. They both slept very well after their long walk. Here, uh, when the two friends become tired after walking, they decided to rest under a tree, and because they were walking, because on that time there were no planes, trains, or horses, bicycles, or buses. They have to go on their foot. So they after when they become tired, they decided to rest under a tree. Then the cock said he likes to sleep high above the ground, or he likes to sleep on the branch into the branches and sleep up there, while the dog slept under the tree. Come on to the next page, page number 7. A visitor. The cock woke up early. The sun was beginning to rise. He was feeling good. He began to sing loudly. Hey, wake up, everyone. Morning has come. It's a beautiful morning. It's time to get up, get up, get up. He did this because he was a cock and he could not help it. And he could not help it. It was in his nature. This was his morning song. He sang it more than once. The dog did not notice. He had heard this song many times. He was used to his friend being so noisy early in the morning. He lifted one ear, he opened one eye, he thought about where he was. He thought about what was happening. He felt warm, he felt dry, he still felt sleepy. He turned over onto his other side. He fell asleep again. He began to snore. Someone else heard the cock. Well, everyone else heard the cock, but someone came to see what was happening. Soon that someone had arrived. He was standing at the foot of the tree. That someone was a fox. So here the visitor was a fox. Foxes, as you may know, sometimes eat chickens, and this fox was very hungry. The fox looked into the tree above his head. He saw a beautiful fat chicken, but he knew he could not catch it. It was just too high up for him. He had not eaten for a week or more. His mouth watered. So, learners, here in this on this page, the story is, the cock woke up early and he started to sing. In the same way, the cock in this story woke up early and started to sing. He did this because he was habited, or it was in his nature to sing early in the morning. So the dog did not notice. The dog once lifted one ear, and then he opened one eye. He thought about where he was. He thought about that what was happening. Then he felt warm, felt dry and sleepy, and he fell asleep again. And he started to he started to snore. Uh, After listening the cock song, the visitor, a fox, came here, and the foxes sometimes eat chickens. The fox looked up into the tree, and he saw a beautiful chicken. But he knew he could not catch it because cannot climb up the tree. It was just too high for him or more. His mouth filled with water. Okay, learners, Allah Hafiz.